NBC 739 News at 4:30.
Eliminating sinus pain, the new technique that uses a balloon to treat sinus problems, the surgery that could provide permanent relief for millions. And making a list,
if you're one of about 30 million Americans who have sinus problems again and again, there's a new type of surgery that may keep your head clear for years to come. Medical correspondent Peggy Pico is here to explain.
Well, Catherine, a San Diego surgeon teamed up with a medical company to invent the first of its kind balloon sinuplasty. It works a lot like an angioplasty for the heart, only this surgery goes up through your nose to open up sinuses, possibly for good.
Just take a deep breath.
For most of her life, Deborah Fielder couldn't breathe through her nose.
I was always taking like sprays or pills or something because I always felt very, very congested.
Like others with allergies or chronic sinus infections, it got worse over time.
Really bad sinus pain and pressure on my face and my head, and I haven't had any of that since the surgery.
The surgery is a first of its kind balloon sinuplasty done under anesthesia in a 30 to 90 minute operation.
We're using a lighted wire that allows us to position that into the sinuses, and we're passing a balloon over that. The balloon's blown up and expanded, and what it does is it breaks bone in the sinuses and opens up the sinus tracts.
The bones are permanently reopened.
This is very, very thin paper bone, and we're breaking the bone and repositioning the bone.
At the same time, a spray washes away infection.
It looks great, nice and open.
What makes this surgery so simple is this little tiny light. Once threaded into the sinus, it lets doctors see the problem without an x-ray.
98% of patients who have this surgery will have open sinuses at 6 months to a year after the surgery. Are you having any discomfort or anything?
No, I haven't had any sinus infections. I haven't snored. At least I've been told I haven't snored.
And just 2 days after surgery, Deborah was back at work.
I breathe better. I haven't had any headaches or anything like that. I can absolutely smell everything, like aromas and flowers.
Some good news now. Since its debut in October, about 20,000 patients worldwide have had the balloon sinuplasty, but Dr. Weeks says it does not treat deviated septums. That's a different surgery. For more on this sinus surgery or other health stories, go to NBCSanDiego.com and click on our Health tab.
Thank you, Peggy.